Reaching the BJP headquarters after JP Nadda. Now Home Minister Amit Shah has reached the BJP headquarters, and you can see in the visuals he's meeting all the BJP leaders, congratulating each other for this massive mandate that people of the national capital have given them, a landslide victory for the Saffron Party. And of course all eyes are now going to be on the Prime Minister, who's going to address the Karyakartas and the BJP leaders at the BJP headquarters. Let me quickly go across to Mohit. Mohit, after JP Nadda, now Home Minister Amit Shah at the BJP headquarters. All right, we'll go across to Mohit in some time, but let me go across to JVC. Look at those visuals coming in. 27 years. This victory has come BJP's way after 27 years, and the stage, of course, is set for a grand celebration. JVC.
Good evening, Swati. I think it's a great celebration. It's a great victory, undoubtedly, because, you know, the last time they won was in 1993. And when I was, like, say, a youngster, I've heard about how, you know, in the television, how Madan Lal Khurana used to convene press conferences. Those days I'm talking about Madan Lal Khurana, V.K. Malhotra, Sahib Singh Verma, when BJP was just started, and hardly 2 or 3 journalists will come to hear them.
All right, JVC, I'll have to interrupt you because a lot is happening there on ground at the BJP headquarters. I will quickly take an update from Mohit, but Isha is also joining us. Mohit, over to you. We just saw Home Minister Amit Shah and I believe now Ashwini Vaishnav along with Nirmala Sitharaman also reaching the BJP headquarters.
Well, yes. In fact, first JP Nadda reached BJP headquarters for the celebration over here. And look at these visuals, and I'll give you the update that who all are coming. Now we saw that how, and I'll show you one very interesting aspect over here. Look at the stage over here, and what exactly the stage that has been put over there says, "Ab ki baar vikas ka saath, Delhi ne thama Modi ka haath." So that is the line of the BJP. That is the poster that has been put over here by the Bharatiya Janata Party, that "Ab ki baar vikas ka saath, Delhi ne thama Modi ka haath." So this is what the tagline of the BJP says. Now, when it comes to the senior leaders, we know for a fact that how Ashwini Vaishnav has reached the BJP office, Nirmala Sitharaman, Finance Minister, and other senior leaders have also reached. So you see Virendra Sachdeva, he's ecstatic today, and all the workers over here are celebrating. The mood is completely celebratory, completely festive, given the fact that how it has been a massive win over here. And in some time from now, we will see the Prime Minister Narendra Modi would be coming over here, and we'll hear from him. So as we speak, Virendra Sachdeva is giving a new slogan for today. So we'll just share that what exactly would be the new slogan of the BJP. So there we see that how new slogans are being carved up, new banners have been put over here, because it has been a wait of 27 years for the BJP. And there you see the Delhi in charge of the BJP, the one who has been managing the elections for the BJP, who was working on the ground, off the ground, speaking to people, speaking to the candidates about the campaign. Baijan Jayapanda, BJP MP, and the in charge of BJP has also come over here. And we also see that how Manoj Tiwari, there you see Manoj Tiwari also has come. He's also one of the prominent faces of the BJP. He was also given charge of various Purvanchal seats. And this time around, Swati, we need to discuss this point, that there has been a transfer of votes from Aam Aadmi Party to the BJP. Now, given the fact that how the voting percentage has not gone much up, it has in fact come down since the last time, but we see that BJP has gained some seat. How? Because BJP has been working on the ground. They have made various programs from 23rd January to 3rd February. They held various meetings of various leaders from Uttar Pradesh and Bihar. They were all called in Delhi, union ministers, senior leaders, MPs, local leaders, and they were asked to take meetings in the Purvanchal area, and they were asked for the feedback that what exactly is happening on the ground, how much meeting they take and how much meeting they took. So Purvanchal voters were influenced by the BJP. They knew that Purvanchal voters would be the key for forming the government.
The BJP has gained big as far as the Purvanchal voters are concerned. Also, the Punjabi Khatri community seems to have voted for the BJP along with the Jat voters, especially the outer edge seats. If you take a look at them, the ones bordering Haryana, they've gone to the Bharatiya Janata Party in a big way. Let me go across to Isha as well. Isha, BJP leaders, Karyakartas, all now moving towards the BJP headquarters, and the top brass also reaching there.
Right, Swati, the environment is absolutely jubilant. There is a lot of exuberance in the air, and BJP supporters from all across country have gathered here. But I have a very special BJP supporter who I'd like to speak to. His name is Irshad, and he has come here to support the Prime Minister and celebrate the victory in the national capital. Sir, आप यहाँ पे आए हैं, बीजेपी के काम से खुश हैं? दिल्ली में बहुत बड़ा मैंडेट मिला है।
दिल्ली में खुश नहीं, हम बहुत ज्यादा खुश हैं।
सर, बीजेपी की ऐसी क्या बात है जो आपको लगता है दूसरी पार्टियों से उनको अलग करती है?
सबसे पहले तो मैं आपका धन्यवाद करना चाहता हूं और आपके चैनल के माध्यम से बताना चाहता हूं।
क्या कहेंगे?
मैं ये कहना चाहता हूं, दिल्ली वालों का धन्यवाद करना चाहता हूं, पूरी दिल्ली वालों को, दिल्ली वासियों।
बीजेपी लोग ये कहते हैं कि बीजेपी मुसलमानों का साथ नहीं देती, लेकिन आप मुसलमान हैं, आप यहाँ आए हैं।
क्या वो मूर्ख आदमी ये कहते हैं बीजेपी साथ नहीं दी? सबसे ज्यादा विकास और साथ बीजेपी ने दिया।
Right, Swati, so you did hear Mr. Irshad say that despite what the opposition might say of the BJP being anti-Muslim, this is something that his community does not believe in. We'll open this up and have a conversation with more excited people here, with the crowd here who is arriving. आप लोग क्या कहेंगे? आज आप लोग यहाँ पहुँचे हैं, क्या बोलेंगे?
देखिए, जो ये जीत हुई है, ये प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी के विजन की जीत है। और जिस प्रकार की अराजकता, अनैतिकता केजरीवाल सरकार ने पिछले 10 सालों में दिल्ली के अंदर पैदा की थी, उसके विरोध में ये मतदान हुआ।
Does speak volumes about the kind of vote bank that the BJP has managed to amass here in the national capital. सर, क्या बोलेंगे?
देखिए, दिल्ली की जनता ने तो 27 साल का वनवास खत्म है। सभी महिलाओं को और युवाओं ने वोट देकर एक आपदा को बाहर किया और परमानेंट इलाज जो किया, जो शिक्षा का जनक कहते थे, उस
को बहुत बहुत बधाई देता हूं और मैं धन्यवाद करता हूं। और इस जीत का श्रेय हमारे प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी को जाता है, क्योंकि सारी योजनाओं पर, सारे कामों पर दिल्ली की जनता ने विश्वास किया। हमारे राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष आदरणीय जेपी नड्डा जी को जाता है कि उन्होंने कार्यकर्ताओं का मार्गदर्शन किया। हमारे गृह मंत्री आदरणीय अमित शाह जी को जाता है कि उन्होंने दिल्ली की चुनावी कमान अपने हाथ में संभाली और धुआंधार उन्होंने प्रचार किया। दिल्ली के सारे कार्यकर्ताओं को जाता है। हमारे सामने बहुत सारी चुनौतियां हैं। दिल्ली में पिछले 2-3 दशक से कोई काम नहीं हुए। हमारे सामने चुनौतियां रहेंगी, मगर उसी के साथ में एक हमें एडवांटेज भी रहेगा कि प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी का साथ मिलेगा और दिल्ली में बहुत सारे काम कर पाएंगे। दिल्ली की जनता को ग्राउंड पे फर्क दिखाई देगा।
आपने यहाँ अरदास करी है, गुरु जी का नाम लेके आप शुरू करने जा रहे हैं अपना कार्य, तो पहला क्या कार्य करने की कोशिश आप करेंगे?
कोई एक कार्य बताऊंगा तो ठीक नहीं होगा, हजारों कार्य करने हैं। हमारी प्राथमिकता रहेगी दिल्ली का पोल्यूशन कम करना, अनएम्प्लॉयड बच्चों को रोजगार देना, यमुना मैया को साफ करना, दिल्ली में जो भ्रष्टाचार हुए उनके ऊपर में SIT का गठन करना, दिल्ली में ट्रैफिक की और ख़ास तौर पे पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट सिस्टम को अच्छा करना, दिल्ली में नई बसें खरीदना, दिल्ली में झुग्गी झोपड़ियों को पक्का करना, दिल्ली में जिन लोगों के पास में, गरीब लोगों के पास में मकान नहीं है उनको मकान देना। बहुत सारे काम हैं।
परवेजी मुख्यमंत्री कौन बनेगा?
परवेजी 25 साल से
भारतीय जनता पार्टी में हमारा पार्लियामेंट्री बोर्ड है, वो तय करते हैं, और हमारा विधायक दल है, वो तय करता है। तो जो तय होगा वो हम सभी को मान्य होगा।
Ramesh Verma, the giant slayer who defeated Arvind Kejriwal in the New Delhi constituency, thanking Prime Minister Narendra Modi for his leadership and margdarshan. And remember what Kejriwal said in 2023. He said, "Modi ji हमें हरा नहीं पाएंगे." Let's play out that reaction.
मैं नरेंद्र मोदी जी को कहना चाहता हूं, मोदी जी इस जन्म में तो आप हमको नहीं हरा सकते दिल्ली के अंदर आम आदमी पार्टी को। मैं नरेंद्र मोदी जी को कहना चाहता हूं, मोदी जी इस जन्म में तो आप हमको नहीं हरा सकते दिल्ली के अंदर आम आदमी पार्टी को।